What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the Ninebot E2 Pro scooter in 2026, what actually you should do and how to do it easily without any additional software, without dismantle the scooter and don't void your warranty. So what you need to do is to first download the VPN app. You need to change to the United States region in order to make unlock, because in the United States the maximum allowed speed is 32 km per hour, while in Europe or Germany is 20 or 25 km per hour. So I suggest this VPN to use, Psiphone Pro. So actually open the VPN app, choose United States here, click start and wait. Okay, now it started. Go to Segway Mobility app. Then it's connected to your scooter already. What you need to do when you go to the settings, you need to put all the firmware updates here. So click update, have 3 of them, lock the vehicle to continue. Okay. So the update started. Let's wait until update will be finished. Alright, the update finished. Now you have the latest version for the US market. So what you need to do next is to go to Mine. And here you go to the settings, go to Profile. And here what you need to do is to select country, find United States, what country you are located is even written. Click yes. So currently you have United States as the main country. Go back to the scooter settings, and of course you can change the system empirical metrics. Now let's try it out. Let's try the maximum speed. So I will put this up, put this in a sport mode. Okay, now let's do the speed test. So let's spin the wheel. Maximum speed is 32 km per hour now. So after you unlock it to the United States, let's try again. You see 32 in the sport mode, so it's working well, and that's how you can easily unlock your Ninebot E2 Pro in 2026.